In this video, I will show you how to connect Runkeeper to Apple Health. Start by opening the Apple Health app just to check if your runs are missing. Now, go back to your home screen and open the Runkeeper app. Once you're in, head over to Settings. From there, tap on Apps and Devices. Scroll down until you find Health, then tap on it. Now, tap on Connect to Health. From here, just turn on all the switches to allow Nike Run Club to share data with Apple Health. After that, you're all set. You will see that the app is now connected and your workouts should start syncing properly. And that's how to connect Runkeeper to Apple Health.